Hi guys. This case is about 3D printing, the new industrial revolution. Harvard Case Solution and Analysis. This article describes the features and use of 3D printing and compares it with a lot of options and other industrial processes. 3D printing allows a small number of specialized products will be produced at relatively low cost. While there is currently used mainly for the manufacture of prototypes and models, there are a number of promising applications in the production of spare parts, dental crowns, and dentures, as well as in the production of the bridge. 3D printing has been compared to such advanced technologies, digital books and music, that allow consumers to order their choice on the internet, allow firms to profitably serve small segments of the market, and will allow companies to operate with virtually no unsold inventory of finished products. Some experts also say that the 3D printing will significantly reduce the benefits of the small size of many manufacturing in low-wage countries by reducing the need for workers. For more details you can visit www.TheCaseSolutions.com. Thanks for watching this video.